All right, students. So remember, I mentioned that we were going to go to Grolier online for our next resource to continue our research. Now, remember, you just got done researching Ruby Bridges, Thurgood Marshall, but there's still one more topic that you have to research for the civil rights, and that is Brown versus Board of Education. And just like with PebbleGo, so we have logged into Grolier Online. Remember, you logged in using your school credentials, and just like with PebbleGo, it already predicted what I was looking for. So I'm going to type that in the search bar. I'm going to go ahead and hit that magnifying glass. I'm going to scroll down. Let me show you some features that are going to help you when you are doing your research. Now, in this little box that is right here, don't just start clicking on links right away. We want to make sure that you're looking at the right level of articles. So since you are in 4th grade, we're going to hit level 1 because we want to only look at level 1 articles. And in fact, we're actually going to click on this first one right here. It is from the New Book of Knowledge. Now, just like in PebbleGo, but it looks a little bit different, they have the read aloud feature. So you can click on that right there. You can start scrolling down, and you see that there is some, it's set up a little different. Instead of tabs at the top like PebbleGo had, it actually has words in bold. Okay, so this introduction is right up here. So instead of having a tab, it is just that first paragraph. Then it has headings, I'm sorry, not words in bold, but headings in bold. And here is a heading of the background of Brown versus Board of Education. This picture right here might look familiar to you because we saw one similar to that in our Thurgood Marshall research. And then as you keep scrolling, you see another heading, the decision of Brown versus Board of Education, the reaction. And you might be wondering, what are these words that are in bold and highlighted? That is actually just where it has picked up on the fact that we searched for Brown versus Board of Education. So it is really only highlighting those because they were in our search. It is different from PebbleGo. It is not any kind of glossary term right there. In fact, you can see when I hover over it that it really does nothing. So don't let that distract you. So yes, we see our reaction heading, and that paragraph gives you information about that. And then right here at the bottom, you do not even have to click on it, but some of you may have noticed at the top that it gave you a link to cite this article. But at the bottom, as you keep scrolling down and you keep looking, it has the citation for you right there. So different than PebbleGo, you don't have to click on anything. It is just right at the bottom of that article that you want to read. Okay, so after you extract or pull out the 3 facts about Brown versus Board of Education, make sure that you keep scrolling all the way to the bottom, and you want to choose the MLA, the very first one, the MLA citation. And then you would copy all of that into your writing prompt, which we will talk about next. But I just wanted to show you a few of those features and to show you how you search and how you use Grolier Online.